Home to more than 1,000 recordings of poets reading their work, Voca is truly a treasure trove. And you can dive right into our ever-growing poetry archives, whether you know what you're looking for or want to be surprised by whatever comes your way. If you're in a browsing mood, hover over Discover Readings to browse by reader, year, reading series, or tags. Use the slider at the top of the Browse by Year page to pick a year, and you'll get this. Here's 1972, which includes 2 different recordings of I reading from draft versions of her first books, plus recordings of Philip Levine and Donald Hall. Here you can browse by reading series, which leads you to groups of related readings, like the Climate Change and Poetry series that includes readings by Joy Harjo, Camille Dungy, and others.
If you have something specific in mind, head to the search bar on the Voca homepage. You can search for a specific poet, or you can look for specific words or phrases in readings. The search bar combs through the transcripts for every track, meaning you can find things like recordings that include the word anemones. To search for a phrase, use quotation marks. When you find a poem you like, you can click on and link directly to that track in most recordings.
There's no one right way to access the poetry readings on Voca. You can follow along with a live transcript or read captions at the bottom of the screen. You can close your eyes and just listen. You can even adjust the play speed.
You can also teach with Voca, using our lesson plans or writing your own. The new Voca site also features playlists of poems on specific themes, like love poems and poems about Tucson. For a deeper dive into specialized topics like contemporary sonnets or kid-friendly recordings, visit Staff Picks. Voca is easy to navigate and use, and that's the point. We want the Voca archive to be an invitation into discovery.
So now it's your turn. Open a browser and check out Voca anytime at voca.arizona.edu.